Hi guys, if you notice I look the same crazy way as I did in my previous video, that's because I'm making a video right after that video.
Mom,
What?
I hear noise how back here. Hey,
Okay, let them back in. They should have already went. Okay. Okay, then don't go out there. I'm gonna clean out my refrigerator and get ready because we're going to the grocery today. So, I guess I'm gonna go let the dogs in. And I'm getting keto stuff because I'm going on the keto diet. Let's see how this works. I'm going to show you somewhat of what I'm doing. This I organize with the mayonnaise and the creamer, and then I put the applesauce. This is all salad dressings. I call them the whatnots at the top. Whatnots. You know, the stuff you don't really use a whole lot. And then more sauces. I just scrubbed this bottom out, and then we're going to put our lunch meats over here, and then there, and then I try to put little snacks and stuff down below. That I dread the most, and I really hate taking it out, so I'm just going to try to do the best I can with it being. This is nice. Love this. And then I take really scalding hot water and I'll pour it in there. I'm not here. So this is really hot water. And then I just kind of pour it in there. Let it sit for a second, and then I'm going to scrub. It already looks so much better, and like I said, I don't really need to take it out, so I'm not scrubbing down below. But this piece of cheese up under here is annoying me. So I guess here we go. That's all done, but I spilled milk on the floor, so now I have to mop my floors. Yay!